Hello there! Welcome to I Can Connect. My name is Teacher Erica. I'm an English teacher with years of experience helping students improve their English skills. I've also completed various teaching trainings that help me become more effective and flexible in my teaching. I believe that learning English should be fun, interactive, and engaging. Every student is unique, so I always adjust my teaching style to match your needs and learning pace. In my class, you don't have to worry about making mistakes. We'll learn together in a comfortable and supportive environment. I also love motivating my students by giving positive feedback like very good, excellent, and awesome. Sometimes I give bonuses and rewards to make learning even more exciting and enjoyable. So, what are you waiting for? Come and join me in my class. I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.